Hey everybody, welcome to Garage 20. Today I'm going to show you how to hook two air compressors together, just a couple of simple fittings and some hoses. First thing I'm going to do is go through my parts list that I got here. So I have two 3-foot lead-in hoses. They're both 3/8 size. Unfortunately, they only do have 1/4 inch NPT ends, but I'll address that later on. And of course, I got some fittings here. I got my T fitting here. It's 3/8. A couple of 3/8 to 1/4 inch adapters here. And then some other random fittings, and then of course I have my regulator that I'm gonna have all the airflow going out of, which has got 3/8 openings on both sides. So I'll put all the part numbers and all that stuff for all this stuff, and so everyone can see, exactly which parts I'm using. If you wanted to do something similar at home. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and just loosely assemble everything. And then that way I can mount it up and kind of just get a good idea of how exactly I want it. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Time lapse. See, got everything just loosely assembled. So got my fittings on the ends. Got these ones all ready to go to be able to go into the T fitting. And yeah, so now I'm going to go ahead and move you on over to the compressors and yeah, just slightly measure everything up, see how it's supposed to look. Make sure that's how I want it. Alright, so hopefully you can see that. I don't think you can see it very well whenever I was assembling it, but basically this is exactly what it's going to kind of look like. One hose going from this one hose going from this one, going into the regulator, and then I've got another hose that'll just basically come out of this over to whatever I needed to go to, the media blaster or the powder coating booth. So yeah, I'm going to take this back apart and thread tape everything up real well and assemble it, tighten it all up. So I'll catch you whenever I get that done. Alright, so here's the finished product. Both hoses going from the compressor, the T fitting hooked into the air pressure regulator, and then going out the other side to hose to the media blaster or to the powder coating booth, whichever one I want to swap it over to. So time to see if it works. Okay, so I got a little bit of pressure built up in both of the compressors. So here comes kind of the moment of truth. Alright, looks like it's working. I don't hear any leaks. So I think this is mission accomplished. So yeah, if you want to try to hook up two air compressors in tandem, it's not too hard. Just some couple different fittings and hook them all together and good to go. So like I said, I'll have all the different parts I use down in the description below. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.